In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to add or create a YouTube shortcut on Windows 11 desktop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to navigate to the button search bar and type for YouTube. Once you're done typing, please wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to navigate to this kind of option called Open File Location. Tap on it and eventually you'd be redirected to this kind of window where it is being located or where it is being placed to. So from here, you need to make a right click, OK, and by that, click on this copy icon to copy it, close the window, and at the desktop, please make a right click, OK, and go with the spaced icon. Once you have pasted it, there you have that. You have just successfully created a desktop shortcut here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so another step that you can do is you need to navigate to the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you're done, just have to click on Open to continue. So this step is good for those who haven't still download and install this YouTube app in their Windows. So at the search bar, type for YouTube and click on Enter to continue and wait until you would be redirected to the YouTube itself. So from here, all you need to do is you need to click on the three dots there, locate to cast, save, and share, and you will be able to see there an option called install page as an application. And that way you would be able to create a shortcut for the YouTube. You can also click on this create shortcut, and in that way, just have to click on it, go with create, and you would be able to create a shortcut on the tab. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.